How to add Spotify to your Opera GX web browser. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can add Spotify to your Opera GX web browser. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Opera GX. Then on the search bar, simply type in Chrome, give a colon, and give 2 slashes. Then type in flags. After you search for that, you should be on this page right here. So here you'll need to search for a flag called custom, and you'll see this custom user sites for browser sidebar available. Then you'll see this default option, tap on it and make it enabled. Then you'll need to relaunch the app. So relaunch your entire app and your Opera GX browser will load up. Now right here what you'll need to do is on this sidebar, you can simply add for Spotify. So here on the 3 dots on the bottom left side, you'll see sidebar setup. Tap on that. So after you're on the sidebar setup, simply scroll down and there you should find a sites option. So here you will see custom site panels. Tap on add custom sites panel. Type in spotify.com. Then tap on create, and that should add the Spotify on your sidebar here. If you tap on it, Spotify will open up like this. And it's basically that simple, guys. That is how you can add Spotify on your Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.